morning students, I am Riya Chaudhary. I am going to teach you maths. I hope you all enjoyed your vacations. Welcome back to the online classes. Now we are going to continue our studies with the topic exponents. We all already studied about integers, rational numbers, their properties and various operations like addition, subtraction and all. Some examples of integers are +7, -7, etc. Examples of rational numbers are -3 upon 7 and 7 upon 1 also. Operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Here are some examples of these operations. Now as we studied the multiplication operation, that is 7 into 7 is equals to 49. Now the 7 into 7 can also be expressed in the form of 7 to the power 2 is equals to 49. In this form, the 7 is called the base and the 2 is called the exponent, or it is also called as power. Base, what is base? The base is the number which is repeatedly multiplied. In this, the number 7 is get repeatedly multiplied. So here the 7 is the base. Now other term is exponent. What are exponents? The number of times base is repeated. Example, here 8 is repeated 4 times, so the exponent is 4. Exponents are also used to write large numbers in shorter form. Like here, the large number 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 is written in the short form, that is 8 to the power 4. So exponents are used to write the larger numbers in shorter form. Now come to the page number 48 with example number 1. Here, write the base and exponent of each of the following. First part is 4 to the power 3. First part is 4 to the power 3. We have to find out which one is base and which one is exponent. As we already studied that the number which is repeatedly multiplied. So here 4 is get repeatedly multiplied. If we open that in an expression, that it gets 4 into 4 into 4. So the number which is repeatedly multiplied is 4. So base is 4. Now what is exponent? Exponent is the number of times the base is repeated. Here the base is repeated 3 times. So exponent is 3. Now our second part is 6 to the power 6. Here our second part is 6 to the power 6. In this one, 6 to the power 6 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So we can write 6 up to 6 times. So as we all know, what is base? Base is the number which is repeatedly multiplied. Here the 6 is get repeatedly multiplied. So the base is 6. Now what is exponent? The number of times the base is get repeated or get multiplied. So here exponent is also 6 because 6 is get multiplied up to 6 times. Now we came to the example number 2, express in power notation. Here next example, express in power notation. What does power notation means? Power notation means we have to write them in exponential form. Means we have to write all of these into the base and exponent form. Our first part is 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. Now we already knew here that this is the rational number. Any number which can be represented in the form of P upon Q are rational numbers, where P upon Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. So this is the rational number. Now we gather all these into one form. Now what is our base here? 4 upon 5 is the base. So we write it here 4 upon 5. How many times it get multiplied or how many times it get repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. It gets repeated up to 4 times. So the power is 4. What does it become? 4 upon 5 to the power 4. Now our next one is -343 upon 729. Now we didn't get it here. Nothing is get multiplied. -343 upon 729. Now here nothing is get multiplied. So how we came to find the solution of this? We will divide it into its basic form. Okay, we will find out the factors of 343. We all know how to find the factors. 343 is divided by 7. Now we will factorize 343. Firstly we will divide it by 7. 7 4 ja 28. And then carry 6. 63. 7 9 ja 63. Now we get 49. 7 7 ja 49. 7 1 ja 7. We get the factors 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7. But here we also have a negative sign. So we put negative sign with each 7. Now come to the next 729. 729. We will factorize 729. We will divide it by 9. We can also divide it by the 3. It's your choice which one you choose. I will choose 9. 9 8 ja 72. 9 1 ja 9. 81. 9 9 ja 81. And 9 1 ja 9. What the factors we get? 9 into 9 into 9. 9 into 9 into 9. Now we know the base and exponents here. What is our base? Minus 7 upon 9. It get repeatedly multiplied. So our base is 7 upon 9. How many times it get multiplied? 1, 2, 3. So the power is 3. Now let's come to the exercise number 1, 5.1 with question number 1. As we go through page number 51, here the question number 1 is get mentioned. Now first part is minus 4 to the power 6. As we know that here the base is minus 4 because minus 4 is get repeatedly multiplied. How many times it get multiplied? 6. So the exponent is 6. Our next part is 8 upon 9 to the power 2. Here the base is 8 upon 9 because it get repeatedly multiplied. How many times it get multiplied is 2. So the exponent is 2. Our next part is C. 17 to the power 4. Here base is 17 because 17 is get repeatedly multiplied. How many times it get multiplied? 4. So the exponent is 4. Now we all clear with these. Let's come to the next part. Next part is D. Here minus 2 upon 3 ki power 4. Here the base is minus 2 upon 3 because minus 2 upon 3 is get repeatedly multiplied. What is the exponent? Exponent is 4 because it get multiplied 4 times. So the exponent is 4. Now come to the next question. Our next question is question number 2, that is expand the following. Our first part is A to the power 2, B to the power 2 and C to the power 5. We have to expand them. Expand means we have to write them in their expanded form. A to the power 3 means how many times A is get multiplied? 3 times. A into A into A. Now B to the power 2. How many times the B is get multiplied? 2 times. So B into B. C to the power 5. So how many times C is get multiplied? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is the expanded form of this. Now our next part is x to the power 2, y to the power 3 and z. Now let's start this one. X to the power 2 means how many times x get multiplied? 2 times. So 1 and 2 times. Y to the power 3 means how many times the y's get multiplied? 3 times. So 1, 2 and 3. Z is with 1 power. When we don't have any power with them, then it is considered as 1. So 1. Now we all know how to write their expanded form. The C part of question number 2 is in homework. Let's come to the next part, that is D. 3 upon 4 to the power 2 means the 3 upon 4 is get multiplied 2 times. 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 4. We get our answer. Next part is E. Minus 2 to the power 3 means how many times the minus 3 is get multiplied? 3 times. 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. Thank you class. That's all for today.